This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by America Davis. Welcome to the Vineyards neighborhood. Conveniently located ungated community with 91 home sites nestled against the Williamsburg Winery. The current owners of this wonderful home designed the floor plan and has everything for gracious living. Beautiful home on a large 1+ acre lot. Saltwater in-ground pool and 3-car garage. Check, check and check. The large foyer is flanked by an office to the left and an open dining room on the right. Family and friends are welcomed into the home into a spacious family room with coffered ceiling and a chef's kitchen complemented by a quaint sunroom on the other side of the shared brick wall. A gas fireplace adds to the charm of a first-floor primary bedroom with 2 oversized walk-in closets. The 5 large bedrooms on the second floor share 2 Jack and Jill baths. There's also a flex room, office, craft, gift wrapping, hobby. The third floor has a bonus room, occasional guest room, or whatever you may need for extra space. March 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact America Davis at 757-220-9500.